how to adjust the depth on a heavy duty DeWALT staple gun. Now, what a lot of people have trouble with is when they press down and they press the stapler down, they're not getting the staple all the way in. What you recommend is that press on this bit here, then plunge and staple, and it should drive the staple all the way into the wood. If you have the DeWALT 5-in-1, there is an adjustment here and on the front here. Now, up position is heavy duty staples and forward is the plus for more power. So up and forward here, and you'll have more power and you'll be able to drive your staples further. But with this heavy duty one here, your only option is to put pressure on the end here and then staple and drive your staples deeper. So hopefully that gives you some little tips how to drive the depth of the staples with your heavy duty DeWALT staple gun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.